channel. I am Saiasmi Gupta, co-founder of 10x Coder Kids, and today we are gonna be creating the ping pong game, right? So today we are creating our own ping pong game using Python. So without any delay, let's get started. Okay, I'll keep you guys right here. Okay, so we are gonna be creating our new folder. We'll name it ping pong game, right? We should always stay organized. Then in IDLE. Okay, so in IDLE, we'll open a new file and we'll save this later when we'll just run the code, right? Okay, so for this, for making ping pong game, we're gonna be importing today the turtle library. Okay, now what we're gonna do is wind is equals to turtle dot screen. Basically for ping pong we want a screen, right? So that screen will be developed, right, and it will be saved in wind. Okay, then what is gonna be our screen title? We'll write the title using the title wind the title, right? I'm gonna write a Saiasmi's ping pong game, of course. Name it whatever you want. Saiasmi's ping pong. Oh, sorry. Ping pong game. Right, so we have written the title now. Okay. Oh, wait, sorry. I forgot. Right. Okay. Now we are gonna write wind dot background color. You might think, what is BG color? That is background color, right? So wind dot background color is gonna, we'll keep it black, right? But of course you can change it to any you want, right? Black is preferred according to me. I think it will look good. Okay, so I hope you guys are writing with me. Okay, so we'll write here, giving the background ground color to the screen and giving the background color to the screen black background color to the screen, right? Then we are writing wind dot set up, okay, width equals to 800 and height equals to 600. Wait, did I write 1000? Yeah, I just wrote 1000 and close. So basically we are setting the width and height of the screen, right? This is understandable. Then we are gonna write wind dot tracer. So this might be a bit confusing, that what does it do? One moment. So right, wind dot tracer, basically it is the objects on the screen, on a ping pong screen, which is gonna be the bar, the ball, etc, etc, right? To get access to those objects, we are gonna write wind dot tracer, of course. So I'll write makes the objects on the screen accessible, right? Very easy, simple. So now we are creating the bars, right? Because there are two bars and they move around and stuff, and then you catch the ball. If you lose, basically miss the ball from touching the bar, the point goes to the other player, right? So we are gonna make now bar A. Bar number A. Sorry, bar A. No number. So bar A is equals to turtle dot turtle. Basically, this line says to the turtle library to make a turtle, right? So it makes a turtle, right? So after that, we have to tell that what shape should the turtle be. So bar A, bar A dot shape is square. Okay, very simple. Then what is gonna be the color of that shape or the turtle, basically? Bar A dot color. Sometimes people write COLOUR, right? But here, what are we gonna write? We are gonna write COLOR, right? So you have to write COLOR, not COLOUR. It will not work. So color, we are gonna do green, right? Because then it will be a perfect color combination. Close and close. Okay. Now we are gonna write bar A dot shape size, right? Shape size, sorry, stretch. Oh my god, why am I writing it capital? Stretch width is equals to 5, right? And stretch length is equals to 1. Okay, so here I want to tell you guys something very important. In the shape size, stretch width, basically this is written stretch width, basically width. In this, actually you're stretching the length of the square, right? Our turtle is square, so we are stretching the length 5 times of square, right? And stretch length is equal to width. Okay, so remember that. So that you don't guys get confused, I'm gonna write here stretch width equals to 5 means stretching the length, and stretch length is equals to what we have written, 1, right? So stretch length equals to 1 basically means stretching the width by 1, right? Got it? Okay, now what we are gonna write is bar A dot pen up, right? So you might be thinking, what does pen up do, right? So I'll write in comments. Basically removes the extra line. Okay, so you might be thinking, what line? So basically when you make a total in here, basically it makes an extra line, like a line from it, even though we do not ask it to do that. right? So when we'll run the code, I will remove the pen up wherever I have written to show you guys why we what line I was talking about, right? So it removes the extra line. Okay, now we are gonna write bar a dot go to minus minus 350 right? So basically it means if you can see my mouse cursor, to basically go over this side, this is minus 350 means, right? This side, and 0 means to be right in the middle, okay, of the screen. And the screen, basically if the screen, wait, one second. Look guys. For example, this is our screen of 800 width and height 600. Then basically, which side for you guys? This side, basically. No, wait, what? How do I tell you? Like, I mean, it's not explainable on the cube here, but basically, if you can see my cursor, this side is bar A, right? And minus 350 is this side, and 0 means right in the middle, okay? So that it is. And when if you do not understand, I will tell you the bar A, which one is bar A when we run the code, okay? So yeah, bar A is go to done. Now we are gonna make bar B. So we'll just copy the code and make the changes accordingly for B. Capital B, 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 square and green and blah blah blah. Okay, yeah, this is what it's supposed to be, right? Now bar B will also be, right? Oh, we have to do this positive 350. It's gonna be this side of the screen, okay? I hope you're writing with me, right guys? So 350 done, and now we are gonna make the beautiful ball. Okay, start ball. Sorry guys. Right, so ball is equals to turtle dot turtle to first make a turtle. Now here, remember one thing, when we are writing turtle dot turtle to make these objects, you have to write turtle and then this capital turtle, right, to make the turtle, okay? Otherwise it will not make. Now we have to give the shape. So ball dot shape is gonna be a circle, right? So guys, I think you all might have played ping pong, but if not, do try it out. Outstanding game. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I like to do it. So yeah, okay. Now we're gonna write a color. What's the color of that turtle? Ball dot color. You can put whatever color you want. I'm choosing white. It looks cute, right? Black, white, very beautiful. You'll see, and green all together. So now ball dot pen up. Now as usual, it will remove the extra part, right? Whatever extra will be made. So ball dot pen up is done. Then ball dot go to. So where is it gonna be located in the beginning? Go to 0 0 0 0 means basically right in the middle. Okay, perfect. Okay, now ball x is equals to 0.3, ball y is equals to 0.3. So these two variables we have made, right? Because for these are two, basically the x, it's the same with ball, but for the x coordinates and the y coordinates, right? So we'll use these ahead in our code so you will understand. Okay, so now ball is done. Now we're gonna make score, because of course you need a score to keep a track of who is winning, right? So that it's fair and square. Now board is equals to, oh sorry, total dot total, right? We are making a total again, and then we'll do sboard dot shape. What's the shape gonna be? Which is gonna be a square. Yeah, square. Then sboard dot color is gonna be white. Right. Then sboard dot pen up to remove the extra thing that will come. At the end, when the whole thing will be, when it will come, I will show you after removing this. And right, so I told you two things, right? That first, I will remove these pen ups and show you. And one more thing I told you was that you will see ahead in the code the use of ball x and ball y. Okay, guys, so do not worry. Board dot pen up is done. Now sboard dot hide total, right? So basically, sboard is basically your writing, right? So sboard dot pen up, this it will remove the extra thing. And sboard dot hide turtle, we are putting this because we don't want actually a turtle. We want to write something, right? We want to write. That's the sboard. So now we'll first tell the position sboard dot go to, and this is gonna be 0 to 160, right, on the top. Okay, and then this is done. Then we are gonna write. Right now we have removed the turtle, remove that extra thing through pen up. Now we are gonna write sboard dot write. So this is gonna basically show what this is basically the writing that we'll get. That's the scoreboard, right? We'll keep on increasing the, what do you say, the score of the player who did not miss the ball and the other one who missed the ball, right? I hope you got me. I mean, there's nothing that confusing. 0, right? And once again, let's one second, guys. Yeah, so sorry. 0 and oh, I'm so sorry. Player B 0 and comma, a line is equals to center. So we want this to come in the center. Basically on the top, but on the center. Top and center. A line is center. Then font, because we are writing here, right? So the font is gonna be I'm not sure if you pronounce it like this, but I think it's pronounced like career, something like that. I'm not sure. Right? So this is the font, how the style of the text, right? The font style, right? Career, then 24, the size, right? And we want it normal. Right? And then we have to close this, right? Done. So Xboard is done, ball is done, bar B is done, bar A is done. No, now, but now we'll keep two variables to increase, right? Increase the score. So score A is equal to is it 0? Yeah, and score B is equals to 0 as well in the B. Then level is equals to 1 because we are gonna keep 3 levels, right? Not unlimited, 3 levels, right? Level is equal to 1 because if you see this video, it's gonna help you a lot. You have put the scoreboard also, you'll put levels also, and speed will also increase, difficulty level will also increase, right? So everything in just one video, guys. It might be long, but it's worth it because other videos, and they don't give the levels and everything. They just keep it unlimited and no difficulty level or something. That's just stupid, right? Anyways, level is equals to 1. So keep to I'll just write here to keep track of the current level. Right now we'll do level score. Level score is equals to 5 basically, and yeah, score required to increase the level, right? We have made this variable, so this will be the score required to increase the level. One player should have this much of score to increase the difficulty level, to increase the level, right? Second, right? So to increase the level, and yeah, then we'll put game over me because at the end whoever wins, we have to make a game over thing, right? Also, right? So game over is equals to false because right now the game is not over yet, so we'll write F in the beginning false. After 3 levels, game over will be equal to true and the game will stop. Okay, now we are making width, right? Width is equals to right now 5. Okay, you will understand later, right? You will understand later after sorry, I am keep on missing the words ahead. When we'll be using this, I'll explain you. Okay, don't worry. Okay, now hashtag level display. We have to also show which level is going on, right? Currently. So level display is equal to total dot total to make another total, right? Then level display dot shape is gonna be again a beautiful square. Level display dot color is gonna be white. Okay, and now we'll do level display dot penna. I will show you what extra thing it removes. Okay, then level dot level display dot hide turtle. Right, and done, because we are removing this, because here also you're writing only, right, you're typing only. So okay, now we'll do level display dot go to, that where is it supposed to be. So 0 and minus 260, so basically it will be on the bottom. Okay, now we are making a function def update level, right, display def update level display update level display uh, so level display dot clear level display, one second guys, I'll just explain. Dot write and then this dot format level, right, comma align and equals to center, comma font equals to, and then we can copy that one only, Windows C. I'm using Mac, so that's why it's Command C, Command V, right? Oh, sorry. Right, now we'll call this update level display, right? So now we have called it, right? So basically this is a function update level display. So first we are doing level display dot clear. Okay, so it will clear it. Then level display dot write level, then this, and dot format level, align center font career 24 normal. So right, first it's gonna fill this from a level, whatever the level is gonna be, and then of course align center, font is career 24 normal, and update level display. Right, so basically what it's gonna do here is basically this curly bracket, it's gonna replace this value from the value of level, which is equals to here level is equals to 1. So here at the beginning it's gonna write a 1, right? It's gonna be in the right in the middle, it's gonna be in the middle, right? Basically it's gonna be in the middle, and basically bottom, basically on the bottom of the screen and in the middle, right? So when we are calling this, so in the beginning we are getting level 1, right? Until and unless the player will get its score till 5, right? We'll put that if statement ahead. Okay, so now after this what we're gonna write is the game over display, right? So we are now gonna display the game over when the game is over. Basically after 3 levels, when somebody has reached to the score of 15, right? So game over display is equals to turtle dot turtle. So we are creating a turtle, right? Then game, this is a big name, right? Because you should always have such good names which should be helpful. It should be it should increase the readability of the code, right? So we'll just copy and paste it, right? Oh sorry, display dot shape, right? And the shape is of course again gonna be a square. Okay, then again I'll paste it. Then it's gonna be dot color. What's the color of the square? Is again gonna be your one and only white. No, not white actually. We'll do it red. Actually, yeah, that will be a better one, right? So red. Then game. Oh wait, I'll just paste it. Game over display dot pen up to remove the extra thing that will come. Then paste dot height turtle, because here also we are basically gonna write text which is game over, right? Height turtle, so that now the turtle is hidden, right? Then where is it gonna be placed? So it is gonna dot go to, we'll use go to, if you remember, 0 0 to bring it right in the middle, right in the middle, right? Then we'll make a function def display game over, right? Because you should again have a sensible name, right? Winner, right? This is a parameter. Then game over display dot clear, because first you have to clear if there's something, and then game over display dot write, you have to write game over, right? Then I'll put a new line, and of course as you remember you'll have to put a backslash, new line, then curly bracket, wins, right? Because we have to write whoever wins, right? Right, and then this, and then dot form, sorry, this, and then we'll close, and dot format, right? Format, what is going to come here is format. We are gonna write a winner, so the value of the winner will come here. Basically whoever wins, player 1 or player 2, player A or player B, right? One of the same thing. Winner, and then same you will have to write it here to get it in the middle, right? In the C and command V, right? Now we'll make functions. We'll write all the functions. Functions. Yeah, so the first we have is def bar A up. So now we are gonna be defining the movements, right? From which keys are our bars gonna move. So bar A up, right? This is gonna be our first function, right? So y is equals to bar A dot y code, okay? Dot y code. Basically y is a variable which is gonna be bar A dot y coordinates, right? Okay, then y plus equals y plus equals to 30, then bar A dot set e, right? So basically this variable y in which bar A dot y coordinates, okay? Then y will be plus y is equals to y plus 30. This is what it means, right? This is equal to y is equals to y plus 30, right? And in bar A dot set y is y, okay? And then we can just copy paste this, right? Command C, command V, and command V, and command V, right? So bar A, then this is gonna be down, this is gonna be A, and this is gonna be minus equals to, right? And this is gonna be also minus, right? And bar A and Z1Y, right? Then bar B. Now we'll do the following changes for B. B and this is plus, okay. And B and right, okay, plus equals to 30, and yeah. Then here bar B, y minus, this is down, then bar B, right? Okay guys, so it was like a kind of the same only, right? Right, okay, so now we are gonna put the keyboard bindings from which it will move. Keyboard bindings, right? So these were the functions, right? And now we are putting the keyboard bindings. So when basically the screen dot listen, so that it basically sometimes it does not run even though we have our correct code, right? So when dot listen, okay. Then when dot on key press, when dot on key press, bar A up, right? Bar A up, and then this will be W, right? So did you understand? If you do not, it's okay. So look, it's saying that on the screen, if on key pressed, right? So basically, if we press W, here we'll mention, right? So if we press W, then it will run the bar A up, right? Which is this, and it will move that bar A, which is on this side, if you can see my cursor, right? And it will go up, pressing W, okay? And then we can copy and paste this for the other bars, right? So this is also A, this will first be B and B, right? And B, right? Then W, then S, then up, then down. So basically, up and down means the up and down arrow keys, okay? So when the down arrow key is pressed, then bar B down, basically it will go down the bar B, which is on this side of the screen, right? And like that it will go. Okay guys, hope you guys understood. Now we'll put a while loop. While not game over. While not game over, right? When dot update. So it's saying till the game is not over, the window will keep on being updated. Okay, right? And now we'll do the ball movement. Now we have to make the ball also move, right? So now basically ball dot set x is ball dot x score plus ball x, right? Close. So I was telling you, right, that where are we gonna be using ball x and ball y? So it is for this, right? Basically managing the speed. So ball set x is ball dot x score and plus ball x. Basically, if you did not understand, it's basically just basically we have written this for the ball to move on the x coordinates. Then we have to do the same for the y. One moment. Oh god. Okay, command C, command V. Y, 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 right? So basically, if you do not understand, basically just do that these two lines are written for the ball to move, okay? Then borders, right? Then we are going to put the borders because the ball has to bounce off, right? If we don't put the borders, then it will just go out of the screen, right? We don't want that to happen. We want it to bounce off the screen when it touches the screen. So borders, if ball y dot if ball dot y core, basically y chord is basically y coordinates, ball y core, right, is greater than 290, then ball dot set y is 290, because if it is greater than 290, then basically it's gonna go out of the screen. So then it will be set y to 290 so that it stays there and then the movement keeps on going, right? And then ball y is into, you will get into by pressing shift 8. Into equals to, I'll just put a space here, into equals to 200 and, sorry, what am I saying, minus 1, right? Because then it will go on in the different direction, right? Then if no, elif ball dot y code. Now we are gonna do the similar with minus 290. If ball dot y core is less than minus 290, right? If it is like this, yeah, then ball dot set y will be minus 290, right? And then again we are going to multiply it by minus 1 so that it moves in the other direction, right? Because minus into minus will be plus. Basically minus and minus will be plus, right? So ball, what do you say, ball y is multiplied equals to minus 1 to make it go in the other direction, right? So basically now we have put the borders so that it bounces off the border of the y coordinates. Borders we have put all right now. Okay, and now we are gonna do the what was I doing? Now we are gonna look at the score. So if we did not put it for the x coordinates because the y coordinates are the top and bottom, basically vertical, right? And x is horizontal. So in the x coordinates we'll have the bars, right? So we are checking for that if that bar misses, then score will increase. You know what I mean? So if ball dot x score is greater than 350, then score A is plus equals to 1, right? Because now it will, if it goes out of the screen, basically now the score A, basically how do I tell you? Basically positive 350 means this side of the screen, right? So on this side of the screen is bar B located. So basically bar A will get a point. So score A is plus equals to 1, right? Then S board dot clear. So we'll clear the S board, scoreboard. Then we are gonna write S board dot write is player A, right? And then player B right? And close dot format. Basically in the format, then we'll put the values of what's gonna go inside these curly brackets, right? So score A, the value of score A, and score B, and this will run if ball.x score is greater than 350, score B, right? I hope you are with me. And this is done, and then of course we're gonna do the same align centers one. Oh, it's the different thing copied. One second. Sorry, I pressed Control B. Right, now it's done. Right, now we'll put LF for minus 350. Wait, we can just copy this. Why should we write it whole again? Yes. LF, this will be minus 350, and if ball.xscore is smaller, right, score B, and then export.clear, player is this, player B is this, and yeah, that is all it is. And yes, now LF as board.write is done. Right, so sorry, I was like getting confused, like, then we'll do ball dot go to 0 0 in the middle. One second. Okay, ball dot go to 10, ball x is into I don't know why is it getting with this all spaces and stuff. Ball x is into equals to 2 equals to -1, right? And then same we'll do here, so that it goes in the different direction, right? So now what we're gonna do is hashtag check for level increase. Now we have to see if the level is increasing or not, so that we have to increment the levels, because then how will the game get over, right? So if oh, okay, I got it. I thought I was doing something wrong. I was thinking, I was like, right? And then this will backspace, this will backspace. So sorry guys, I was like, what's going on? Oh, sorry. Right, now it will be good. I was like that. Yeah, okay. So now, if score A, we'll first see for if player A or player 1. So if score A is greater than or equals to level score, which is 5, level score, which is 5, or score B, if any of them got 5 scores, right? Score B is greater than or equal to level score, which is also 5, if you remember. level score, then then what will happen is we'll increment level, which was first 1 in the beginning, and if somebody got scored A, or player A or player B got any of them got above than 5 or 5, then the level will increase. Got it? Then level score will be plus equals to 5, right? Plus equals to 5, because then we will add more, so basically 10, right? It will become 10 in the second time, and then in the third time 15, right? So level score is plus equals to 5, and this is a while loop basically, which will go on till the game is over, and the screen will keep on becoming updated, right? Plus equals to, then ball x is into equals to 1.5. Basically the speed of the ball will increase, difficulty level will increase on level 2, and on level 3 it will be more difficult, right? Into 1.5, and then ball y will be into equals to 1.5. Super easy, right? Then width will be minus equals to 1.5. So do you remember that I told you, right, that where is it? Yeah, we had written width is equal to 5, right? So here width is minus equal to 1.5. Basically the length will decrease. Now if no, I did it right. Now we'll write bar a dot shape size stretch width y is equal to width, because now we have decreased, so we want the difficulty level to increase, right? Because if you remember, stretch width is equals to length, and stretch length is equals to width, right? So we'll keep the width, which is equal to stretch length, as it is, and stretch width will decrease by 1.5, right? And what is it? Yes, and stretch length is equals to length itself, right? Because we want it to be as it is, or we'll put it right one, right? And then we'll do the same for bar B, because now the difficulty level will increase as you go on with the levels, right? B, right? And we'll also put update, we'll also call the update level display function, in which what was happening, let's see, it was writing the level. Yeah, it was telling us now on which level it is, right, after clearing it. So yeah, that is it. And then we are now lastly gonna see for if the we'll check if the game is over, right? Because if the game is over, it will come out of the while loop and it will show the game over message, right? I hope you understood till now. Wow, what a long and a beautiful code. And you know, it was so easy, right? Now, yeah, check for game over. Check for game over. So we want it to basically end on level 3. If level is greater than 3, right? because when the person will have 16 points, then basically it should go on level 4, and when that will be equals to greater than level 3, greater than 3 levels, right? If we have 16 points and in each level we get 5 points, then basically we are on level 4. So if level is greater than 3, not equals to, if it is equals to, basically we want 3 levels, right? If we wanted 2, then it can be level is greater than or equals to, right? But we would have given level greater than 2 if we wanted 2, right? So if level is greater than 3, then we want game over to become true. It was first false, now it will be true. Game over will change to true. Remember, it should be a capital T. Game over will be 2. Then if score A is greater than score B. Now we'll also have to determine who is the winner, player A or player B, right? So if score A is greater than score B, then we'll display game over player A. Display game over player A. Right? Let's see the display game over. Right, so here it will we'll pass basically player A to winner parameter, right? Because here we are just calling it, right, to determine the winner. So right, and it will then get it in the middle that player A won if score A is greater than score B. Okay, player A won. LF. Now we'll see of B. Okay, so first LF, this will be B, and this will be A, and this will be B, and else, which will be if it's a tie, then what it has to do is to basically display game over. It is a tie. It is a tie, right? And close. It is a tie, or you can write it as a draw. Right, and now we'll have to also see the collision with bars, right? Don't forget that. Oh, again, that indentation got wrong. Sorry, guys. Oh, sorry. And finally, this beautiful. And now lastly, for our game to be finally completed, we'll have to write collision with bars. We'll have to also see the collision with bars, guys. Write collision with bars because it has to bounce off, right? Collision with bars. Okay, so let's see. So basically I'm gonna write this code, and you have to basically tell that this is basically if collision with bars, then if basically it will collide with the bars, it will multiply by -1 and go in the different direction of the other player, right? So if ball dot x score s score if ball dot x score is greater than minus 340 and bar a dot y core is minus bar a minus 50 is greater than equals to is smaller than or equals to ball dot y core which is smaller than equals to by a dot y core plus 50, right? Or sorry, or ball dot x score is greater than 340, right? Basically 340 this bar and minus 340 this bar, right? 340 and bar b dot y core minus 50 is smaller than equals to ball dot y core. Wait, I'll have to move this. Ball dot y core ball dot y core and what is it supposed to be? 1 second. This right. So ball dot y core dot y core plus 50, then basically this will check the collision of the bars from both bar A and bar A and bar B. So basically then ball x is into equals to minus 1 so that it goes in the different direction. And that's it, guys. We created our ping pong game. Now let's see. Okay, first we're gonna save it. So in downloads we made the ping pong, right? Okay, so ping pong game, right? .py it will save, and now we're gonna run it. The moment of what? Oh, I see. Oh, sorry. Yes. Okay. Now let's run. Yeah. So sorry, guys. Actually, there were some errors in the spelling mistakes. So I just solved them all. And yeah, sorry about that. Now let's play our beautiful game. Look at this beautiful color combo. Okay, so at first I'm gonna make them message, I'm gonna make player A miss it. So player A is this, player B is this, right? And I'll make, right now player A is not hitting. That's why the ball will go in the same direction, right? If you remember, it will go in the different direction. Basically, if somebody misses it, it basically is multiplied by -1, right? So see, now it will do it till 5. Let's wait for it. Look, right now here there's level 1, and here on top in the middle it's getting here. Just look at this color combo, it's so beautiful. Now see, it's gonna go on 5, and then look at the difference of the speed. Look, the size decreased, the speed increased, and everything happened, right? And here level 2 was here, and here the score is being incremented of player B, right? And we are able to control our keys pretty nicely, huh? I'm right now making it miss so that I can show you all the game over and things that can happen, right? Because the things we have added, and now look, now it's gonna miss, now it's gonna miss, now it's gonna miss. Now see, it decreased, the size has increased, but don't worry, it's still controllable, right? Wait, no. Right, okay. So now let's wait till 15, so that, no, till 16, honestly, because after 15, until it gets a point, there will be no game over message. See? Game over, player B wins. Congratulations, guys! You just made your own ping pong game. So beautiful, so nice, right? And such an easy code. So, guys, thank you so much. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Bye, guys.